Here's the update. What time is it? 12:30, January 27th. Here's the GFS. Let's take a run. All right, here we go. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can see the low off the coast right here. Now this puts it at, what's that? Here's South Carolina, North Carolina, 980 millibar. Let's move in here. 970. Look at the wind field here, but it's way off the coast. Jersey hugs the coast. Look at snow deep on the coast there. 962. Now that is very low. If you think of hurricanes, 962. What's a 930? Like a category 5, 950, maybe a 4. 960 could be a 3. So that is heavy winds. Look at the wind field all the way from Florida all the way up. And then look at the wind field around here. Now you can see all I-95 here in New York. Maybe light snow. Maybe it looks like an inch, a few inches. It's staying way off the coast right now. And then this moves 960. Look at that wind up like a hurricane. That is pretty amazing the way it looks. And you're going to see Boston very on the east side get, crushed. Winds probably get a lot of snow there. Then this moves towards Canada and it pulls away. All right, so that is the GFS. Let's wind this back up. Let's take a look at the, what's this, the Euro they call it? Mr. Weatherman, the Euro. Yeah. All right. 10, this has a 10,000. This has it being a little weaker than 995. 991, 996. It's sitting here a while. It looks like the very coast. You're talking North Carolina, Virginia, Delaware, all on the coast, Jersey even. 970 winding up. Now look at Philly, I-95. That looks to be, you can see down here, maybe a few inches. We'll say like 1 to 3. So I think we're going to escape if this is the track and then it pulls away. Look at that 963 it has on the Euro. Look how tight the spiral. The winds are going to be incredible. You're talking Jersey out to sea. I don't know what the winds are going to be with that. What, 70 miles an hour, 50, 60? This will be interesting. You see up here, Boston, snow, 962 pulls away. But see, it never gets that close to the coast where we get buried. This came inward. We'll get buried. It'll be 2 feet. I almost guarantee it'll be, if it stays all snow, it would be 2 feet easily. All right, and then it's pulling away. This is on Sunday. All right, let's see what else we got here. We get the CMC. Let's run it here. All right, so 995. Now this pulls it closer, 970. You can see right here, Delaware. It's hard to see. Virginia, Maryland, Ocean City, Maryland area. They get buried here. And then winds, and it comes up to the coast further on this. And then it pulls away pretty quick, so it's hard to say here, but that would probably be maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 4, I-95 Carter. And then this pulls away. Yeah, look at snow on the east side, Boston, probably New York. And then it spins off. And there we go. So we'll see what happens. What else we got? Any icon? See the run on this. This pulls it way out to sea. This is AI. Now AI, this doesn't show the snow here, but it shows big 970 millibar. What's the moisture? Let's check total accumulation. All right, so you can see it out to sea. Look at that. That's almost 6-7 inches of rain, whatever it is, equivalent. Now it does have here, you can see the light anywhere from like 1 to 2 inches over where we're at here. Let's see. Precipitation, moisture, 24-hour. See, by February 1st, doesn't have that much here. This is a light green. The GFS stays off. CMC, 24-hour. Snow total. All right, so on this, you can see, let me move my mouse here. You see 16 inches off the coast, it would be. And that pink, 6 to 12. It looks like we're in that 2 to 4, maybe 3 to 6. and then it pulls away east. Now you can see Boston side, they could get buried if it doesn't go that far out on that. All right. Does the GFS have snow? See, that doesn't show nothing on GFS. Does the nav gem have anything here? That doesn't show anything. Icon snow, total snowfall. It shows it right there. All right, so anyway, it's pointing off the coast right now. It could be here in North Carolina, Delaware, and it pulls away. So they're not bringing it inward, which is good. We'd all get buried again. So we'll see how this plays out. It's only Monday, into Tuesday right now. So we'll see what happens with this.